Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable two-factor authentication in the OKX application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open the OKX application on your smartphone, and once it is opened up, you might be asked to log into your account if you haven't done so already. Go ahead and log in using your credentials, and once you have logged in, you will be taken into this homepage. Now, within this page, tap on the menu icon at the top left corner to end up within your menu page. Then tap on your user ID at the top section to end up in your user settings page. Now, once you're in this page, tap on the Security tab and then tap on Security Center. Now, from the Security Center page, you will be able to find the two-factor authentication option. Go ahead and tap on the button to turn it on, and you will be asked to verify using your phone first. Tap on the Send Code button and you will receive a code within your phone that you can use to proceed with the two-factor authentication process. Just enter this code and tap on the OK button, and now you will see that the two-factor authentication has been turned on. If you don't want to turn this on anymore, you can come back to this page anytime and tap on the toggle option to turn it back off. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable two-factor authentication in the OKX application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.